Hello everyone, welcome to Module 4 in the discussion of Industry 4. Now we'll focus on AI and ML part in Industry 4. So, if we try to understand what exactly is AI in the context of smart manufacturing, so it is basically a game changer. So, AI uses intelligent algorithms and systems to analyze vast amounts of data, automate complex processes, and make informed decisions that were traditionally reliant on human expertise. So AI is digital brain behind smart manufacturing. So it enables machines and systems to analyze data, that is, extract insights from data collected by sensors, devices, then automate processes, perform repetitive or complex tasks without human intervention, and finally enabling to make decisions. So that is using real-time data to make predictions, optimize performance, or solving problems. So think of it as giving machines the ability to think and act smartly, similar to how humans solve problems but with higher speed and precision. AI in manufacturing is designed to emulate human cognitive abilities such as learning, which is adapting from data and improving over time, and then reasoning, making logical decisions based on inputs, and finally problem solving, so detecting anomalies and suggesting solutions. So if we try to understand what is role of AI in Industry 4, so AI adds value to manufacturing in many ways, like in automation, where it allows systems to handle routine or repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for strategic roles. For example, robotic arms in assembly lines powered by AI improve speed and precision. Then we have the optimization. So by analyzing data, AI suggests to reduce waste, improve quality, or enhance energy efficiency. So, for example, adjusting machine parameters dynamically to optimize production rates, and then enabling real time decision making. So, it uses predictive and prescriptive analytics, which we will discuss in coming upcoming slides and lessons, to provide actionable insights instantly. Where predictive basically is forecasting potential machine failures, and prescriptive is recommending specific actions to prevent these failures. So, if we understand now the AI and Industry 4 synergy, so it doesn't work in isolation. AI complements other Industry 4 technologies like IoT, sensors which feed real-time data to AI systems, then big data. So AI analyzes this data to uncover patterns and trends. And we have robotics where AI drives intelligent automation in physical processes. So if we just sum up why AI matters in manufacturing, so it improves productivity and it reduces cost savings. I mean, improves cost savings, then enhances quality, and finally increases the flexibility. So if we wind up with an example, imagine in a smart factory, IoT sensors on machines collect temperature and vibration data, where AI analyzes this information to predict when a part might fail and alerts technicians to perform maintenance before a breakdown occurs. So basically, this approach is known as predictive maintenance, minimizes downtime, and boosts operational efficiency. So all in all, AI in Industry 4 transforms traditional manufacturing into highly adaptive, efficient, and intelligent ecosystem. So it is basically upgrading a factory from a bicycle to a self-driving car where everything becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable.